Hello friends, welcome to our new session Plus 2 Commerce Lesson 19 Environmental Factors. Choose the correct answers. VUCA stands for Volatility, Uncertainty, Complexity and Ambiguity. GST. What is the full form of GST? GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. Next question. Factors within an organization constitute dash environment. Internal thinker. Macro environment of business is a dash factor. Uncontrollable. The two major type of business environments are internal and external. Dash environment includes weather and climate conditions. Macro environment includes weather and climate conditions. Now move on to very short answers. Define business environment. According to Bayard O. Willer, business environment things external to firms and industries which affect their organization and operations. So what do you mean by business environment? Which affect the organization and their operations. What is internal environment? This question has been asked in March 2020 paper. Internal environment refers to those factors within an organization, example, policies and programs, organizational structure, employees, financial and physical resources. These factors can be changed or altered and hence are shown on controllable factors. That is known as internal environment. Give the meaning of corporate governance. Give the meaning of corporate governance. Corporate governance is a set of rules and policies which governs a company. Set of rules and policies which governs a company. It provides a framework for managing a company and achieving its objectives. It gives guidelines for internal control, performance, measurement, and corporate disclosure. Now, what do you mean by GST? Already we studied in Choose the Best Answer the full form of GST. GST is the indirect tax levied on goods and services across the country. GST is the indirect tax levied on the goods and services across the country. It is a comprehensive multi-stage destination based tax that is levied on every value addition. The full form of GST is Goods and Service Tax. It is an indirect tax. Types of taxes are CGST, SGST and IGST. GST you know, Goods and Service Tax. C means central, S means state, I means international. Expand VUCA, already we studied in the 1 mark. Volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity is the expand form of VUCA. Now move on to short answer. What are the political environment factors? What are the political environment factors? Political stability is reflected by the following parameters like the election system, the law and order situation, the role and structure of military and police force, the declaration of president rule, civil war, etc. The image of the leader and the country in the international arena, legal framework of business and the degree of flexibility. The constitution of the nation, the foreign policy of the country with special reference to tariff and free trade. Now move on to next question. Write about any three internal environmental factors of business. Vision and objectives. The vision and objectives of a business guides its operation and strategic decisions. Management structure. The structure of management or a board and the style of functioning, the level of professionalism of management, and the composition of the board are the various factors which affect the decision making. So, management are taking the decisions. Company image. The image of an organization play an important role in introducing a new product, expanding and entering new markets, both domestic and international, raising finance, etc. State the framework of corporate governance in India. To have independent directors on the board, at least one third of the directors have to be independent directors. To have at least one independent woman director, to disclose all deals and payment to related parties, to disclose details of managerial compensation, CEO and CFO to sign stating that the governance norms have been complete with the financial statements. Move on to next question. What are the functions of the GST Council? Goods and Service Tax Council is a constitutional body for making recommendation to the union and the state government on issues related to goods and service tax. The goods and services that may be subjected to or exempted from the goods and service tax. The rates including floor rates with bands of goods and service tax. Any special rate or rates for a specified period to raise additional resources during any natural calamity or disaster. Move on to next question. What do you know about technological environment? The development in the IT and telecommunication has created a global market. Technology is widely used in conducting market research, research for understanding the special needs of the customer. Digital and social media are used as a platform for advertising and promoting their product services. This dynamic environment also includes the following. So, with the help of information technology or internet, what we are doing. The level of technology available within the country, rate of change in technology, technology adopted by competitors, technological obsolescence. So, the technology like advertisement in TV, advertisement with the help of internet. So, the customer will know about the products. Discuss the role of macro environment of business. The success of a business is dependent on its ability to adapt to the macro environment since these are uncontrollable factors. Economic environment. The business is an integral part of the economic system prevalent in a nation. It includes the nature of economy based on the stage of development. The nature of economic system. The economic system can be classified as capitalistic, socialistic, and mixed economy. The economic policies of a nation, monetary policy, fiscal policy, etc. The economic indices like GDP, GNP, national income, etc. Social cultural environment. Business is a part of the society. Social environment refers to the sum total of factors of the society in which the business is located. Social and cultural environment of society affect the business. Political and legal environment. The framework for running a business is given by the political and legal environment. The success of a business lies in its ability to adapt and sustain to political and legal changes. Geophysical environment. The natural, geographical, and ecological factors have a bearing on the business. These are follows: the availability of natural resources like mineral oil, etc., the weather and climate conditions, availability of natural harbors and port for transporting goods, etc. Technological environment. The development in the IT and telecommunication has created a global market. Technology is widely used in conducting market research for understanding the special needs of the customer. Global environment. The rapid growth of technology and physical boundaries are fast disappearing and a new global market is emerging. The international environment factors with affect a business. Describe the economic environment of business. Economic environment. The term economic environment refers to all the external economic factors that influence buying habits of consumers and business and therefore affect the performance of a company. These factors are often beyond company control and may be either large scale macro or small scale micro. The business is an integral part of the economic system. Prevalent in a nation, the multiple variables in the macro environment system which has a bearing on the business include the nature of economy based on the stage of development, the nature of economic system, the economic policies of a nation, the economic indices, development of financial market, the economic structure. All these points we are discussing point by point in the continuous answers. Explain the micro environment factors of business. This has been asked in the March 2020 paper. This refers to those factors which are in the immediate environment of business affecting its performance. This includes the following: supplier. If in any organization the supplier of a raw material and other input very realized the importance of the nurturing and maintaining good relationship with the supplier. So the supplier is very important person in an organization. Next point, customers. The aim of any business is to satisfy the need of customer. What is the aim of any company? To satisfy the needs of the customers. The customer is the king business. Customer relationship management aims at creating and sustaining cordial relations with customer. What do you mean by cordial relation? A good relation with customer. Competitors. All organizations face competition at all level, local, national and global. Competitors may be for the same product or for similar products. It is important for a business to understand its competitors and modify their business strategies in the face of competition. So competition is everywhere in all the market. So according to the needs of customers, you have to change the products. Then only the product will be sold in the market very easily. Next, public. This refers to any group like media group, citizen action group and local public which has an impact on the business. The public group has the ability to make or mar a business. Many companies had to face closure due to actions by local public. So according to the public, taste and preferences only you have to make the product, otherwise your product will not be sold. So with this, we complete this session. Thanks for watching the video.